Hi, this is Vince Curie. I'm going to show my viewers how to use the lettering on this machine. All right. Closer view. You could pick up one of these to use on your touchscreen. All right. No, I don't want to recall nothing. I don't want to recall nothing. I'm going to show you this first. All right. Last night in the video, I used this font, and I did the word Disney. Now, prior to the Disney, I went into here, and then you hit this. Hit the arrow. Again. Okay. Copyright. All right. You add the copyright up there. So I choose the medium, and once you put your first letter or symbol, you select at this point if you want medium. All right, so now you go back to the lettering, and then let me spell out Walt Disney, okay? All right. Use the big letters, right? The big letters end here. W, A, L, T. All right? Now, you want a space. You want a space. Now there's a symbol for the space. That's the space. Okay? So now you gotta go back. All right, Disney. Pattern extends to the outside of the embroidery frame. That's because when I did it last night, I just used the Disney. So I'll have to go to small then, but I gotta go back now. And I gotta delete except for one, the C. I go to small now. Okay, set. No, I don't want to set, excuse me. All right, let me do Walt Disney. W, A, L, T, and then the space, go back, PE900 okay? All right. Then you would hit set. I wonder if I could expand this a little bit. Now, let me go to size. All right, the width is 3 something. So let me see if I could bring this out. Now, it's best to do this because you get the height and the width expanding, you know? It's more realistic. All right, so you're watching this. It'll only limit so much. It moved up to this hoop, which is the 5x7. See, there's a 4x4 here. In case you have a 4x4. I mean, they do sell them, you know, for this machine. You know, you use less fabric, you use less stabilizer. All right, so let's see how big. I leave it. No. It'll still go. All right, leave it to that. Leave it to that. Go OK. End. Embroider. Okay, so it's one color, 3 minutes, and here's the jump stitch thing. All right, now you need a design in order to see this. You press this. All right, you need this pressed in order to see plus or minus. You put this off, these gray out. But not with this. But what this does, in dark blue, you cut it at the end of the color trim, and it trims. So you do OK. And then, of course, there's your name. And, you know, that's what you do in order to do that. Been Secure, and I thank you for watching.